Welcome to How to Do. Today, we'll learn how to find all blank cells in a table and fill them with the value from the cell above. Let's get started. Here I have 500 rows of data of sales division, which were exported from our new system. But here I have only one row containing invoice date and invoice number. So I need to fill all spaces with relevant invoice number only. Then I'm going to select all spaces first. Then fill selected spaces with data from cell above the empty cell. First I'll insert my data into table for ease of understanding. Select anywhere on the data. Then go to Insert. Then Table. Then select OK from appearing window. Now you have table then. Step 1. Select the entire table where blanks exist. You can click and drag, or press Ctrl+A inside your table. Step 2. Press Ctrl+G on your keyboard. This opens the Go To box. Now click on Special. In the new window, select blanks and hit OK. Now, Excel highlights all blank cells in the selected range. Step 3. Without clicking anywhere else, type the formula =, and then press the up arrow key. This tells Excel to take the value from the cell above. Now, don't press Enter instead. Press Ctrl+Enter to fill all selected blanks with that formula at once. Step 4. Optional. If you want to keep only the values, select the filled range, copy it. Then right-click and choose Paste Special, then Values. And that's it. You've quickly filled in all blank cells using the value from above. No manual typing required. Thanks for watching How to Do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more Excel tricks with us.